The ultimate fall nail polish set, Model 1's Nail Polish Collection. As the temperatures drop and the leaves begin to turn shades of amber and crimson, there's no better time to update your nail game to match the cozy, warm vibes of the season. If you're looking for a nail polish set that brings together the perfect fall and winter shades, look no further than the Model 1's Nail Polish Set. With 6 stunning colors ranging from deep burgundy to gold glitter, this collection offers everything you need for salon-quality nails right at home. In this post, we'll dive into what makes the Model 1's Fall Nail Polish Set a must-have, the key benefits of each color, and why this set is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Why the Model 1's Nail Polish Set is perfect for fall and winter. Fall and winter call for rich, bold hues that reflect the festive spirit of the season. The Model 1's Nail Polish Set features 6 complementary shades that perfectly embody the warmth and glamour of fall and winter fashion. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to treat yourself to a fresh manicure at home, this set has everything you need. Versatile shades for every occasion. The Model 1's Fall Nail Polish Set features a well-curated selection of shades that work beautifully for both casual and more formal settings. Here's a quick rundown of the colors. Burgundy Sparkle, a deep, sultry burgundy with a touch of shimmer, perfect for evening events or a glamorous night out. Red Nude, a sophisticated and neutral red nude that's ideal for the office or day-to-day wear. Gold Glitter, a festive shade that adds a little sparkle to your life. Ideal for parties, holidays, or when you want to make a statement. Bloody Red, a rich, dramatic red that makes a bold statement, perfect for fall nights and holiday events. Winter Nude, a soft, neutral nude that complements any outfit, adding a polished, minimalist touch to your look. Deep Burgundy, a classic, timeless burgundy that screams elegance and refinement, especially during the colder months. With these 6 shades, you can easily switch between styles and moods, ensuring that your nails always match your outfit or the occasion. From work-ready neutrals to bold, festive colors, this set has it all. 2. Quick Dry Formula for busy lifestyles. One of the standout features of the Model 1's Nail Polish Set is its quick dry formula. If you're someone who's always on the go and can't afford to sit around waiting for your nails to dry, this is the perfect polish set for you. The polish dries in just minutes, allowing you to get back to your daily tasks without worrying about smudging or chipping. Imagine giving yourself a quick touch-up before heading to an event, and within minutes, your nails are dry and ready to go. It's an absolute game-changer for busy women and girls who want to maintain their beauty routine without the hassle. 3. Long-lasting formula for salon-quality results at home. Not only does the polish dry quickly, but it's also designed to last. The high-quality formula ensures that your manicure stays flawless for days, even with daily wear and tear. No more frequent touch-ups or chipped nails after just a day. The Model 1's Nail Polish Set is perfect for women who want their manicures to last through a busy week or a long weekend trip. For DIY nail artists, this is especially important. The durable formula means you can create intricate designs, knowing that your hard work will last longer. Whether you're into nail art or just want a solid color that lasts, this set is a great choice. 4. Perfect for DIY or professional use. Whether you're an at-home nail enthusiast or a professional looking for high-quality products for your salon, the Model 1's Nail Polish Set delivers. The colors are highly pigmented, ensuring a vibrant, streak-free application with just one coat. Plus, the consistency of the polish is smooth and easy to work with, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals alike. For those who love DIY nail art, this set provides a fantastic base for all your creative endeavors. The rich colors and sparkly finishes are perfect for layering, experimenting with different techniques, or adding embellishments like rhinestones or decals. 5. The perfect gift for any woman or girl. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the women or girls in your life? The Model 1's Nail Polish Set makes an excellent present. The chic packaging and versatile color range make it a gift that anyone would appreciate. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, this set is perfect for anyone who loves to pamper themselves with a little nail care. Plus, with the winter months approaching, the glittery shades in this set are perfect for the festive season. Imagine gifting this to a friend or loved one, knowing they'll have fun experimenting with the colors and creating their own holiday-inspired nail designs. 6. Affordable luxury at just $5.99. With 50% off, the Model 1's Fall Nail Polish Set is available for just $5.99, making it an incredible deal for such high-quality polishes. You don't have to break the bank to get salon-quality results at home. This set offers luxury at an affordable price, making it accessible to everyone who wants to elevate their nail game this fall and winter. When you consider the versatility of the colors, the quick-dry and long-lasting formula, and the potential for DIY nail art, this set offers excellent value for money. Whether you're looking to treat yourself or gift it to someone else, this deal is too good to pass up. Final thoughts. Why you should add the Model 1's nail polish set to your cart today. The Model 1's nail polish set is the ultimate fall and winter accessory for your nails. With its 6 versatile shades, quick-dry formula, and long-lasting wear, it's perfect for anyone who wants salon-quality results from the comfort of their own home. Whether you're a professional nail artist or just looking for an affordable way to upgrade your nail game, this set has you covered. At just $5.99, it's an absolute steal. Don't miss out on the chance to get the latest fall and winter nail colors at such an incredible price. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for someone else, the Model 1's nail polish set is a must-have this season. Click the link in the bio and add it to your cart. Now your nails will thank you.